Derived from Lenz O gauge are the 3YG Umbauwagen. So these are the 3-axle variants. I believe that they usually run in pairs, but for the sake of a model it doesn't matter all that much. They're sold individually. They're really nicely printed and detailed. These are the Era 3 versions. They've also done some Era 4 versions. And they've done 4 coaches in this edition, so you've got a first, second, you've got 2 different numbers of the second class and a second class brake, and that same is repeated in the Era 4 versions. They feature the Lenz close coupling mechanism, which is on a kinematic guide, so it will extend around corners, and they will go around the radius 1 curves. You can see that they couple up on the straight beautifully buffer to buffer, which on a large scale coach it really does show. They do have the new style lighting, so they're delivered on address 99. You can change that, and function 0 turns on the interior lights, and they've got this really pleasing neon effect to start up. The second class coach has the bench seating. There's also the luggage racks above the windows there. And the first class. This is the second class compartment of the first class. And then the first class seating in here. Again, above the first class seats you've got the luggage racks. So the lighting also features a power pack, and that will keep it running on dirty track. If it comes off the track completely, the lights will go out. Let me just separate these coaches. You can disconnect them on a ramp. The locos have the automatic uncoupling. So yes, if we come off the track, they'll go out completely. Just get this back on. Floating middle axle allows it to go around tight radiuses. Also on the functions you can turn on the tail lights. Because it's the same functions across all the coaches in a rake, you have another option. So if you just want to turn the tail lights on the end of the train, they supply a little yellow magnet, and there is a switch hidden in the roof, so the magnet activates the tail lights at the end that you want to turn them on. That's a pretty impressive standard German coach, familiar across the network for 30 years. Just to complete the Era 3 set, here's the baggage van. And the second number of the second class coaches.